Hey everyone, this is Ali from White Matrix and today we are going to discuss about NFT. NFT is also known as non-fungible token. There are two types of token, fungible token and non-fungible token. Let me tell you about first what is a token actually. A token represents virtually anything on the blockchain. You can represent any image, audio, video, a game asset, a sports asset or a virtual currency on the blockchain. So that is a token is used to represent virtually anything on the blockchain. So here are the two types of token, NFT and FT. NFT represents non-fungible token like an image, audio, video or anything like this digital art or some painting. You can sell using NFT. And there are another type of token is known as fungible token. For example, there are many tokens, fungible tokens such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance, ICP and many other. These are exchangeable with each other. For example, we can exchange Bitcoin with BNB, BNB with ICP, ICP with USD, USD with BUSD, or like we can exchange these, but we cannot exchange an image with an audio, an image with another image, or like game asset with an image. Mean to say non-fungible tokens are not exchangeable. We can just trade it, we can like simply buy it, sell it or store it. So first, before discussing further, let me tell you simply about what is a blockchain. Blockchain uses decentralized storage. For example, in a blockchain there are different nodes and each node have all the data like the other node have. Like all the data is stored on all the blockchain. For example, if we talk about Binance Smart Chain, it has about 21 nodes and all the 21 nodes store the whole data. For example, node A has the same data as the node B and the node B has the same data as node C. And that is the case with all the nodes. They have all the data that is the same with all the other nodes. And once the data is stored on the blockchain, it is never changeable. No one can change it. For example, I recorded any transaction on the blockchain and if I want to change the transaction or the smart contract, even I cannot change it, and it is traceable. Every transaction we make in the blockchain has a transaction ID and for example a sender address, digital address and a receiver digital address. We can trace any transaction using any of these such as transaction ID, receiver address or sender address, and it makes the transaction secure and transparent. For example, no one can change it. It is not like the centralized databases, like the central authority is controlling it. It is decentralized. No one can change it. Even I cannot change it after deploying or after making any transaction. So what is an NFT? NFT is non-fungible token. It is unique, unrepeatable and indivisible. We cannot divide it like fungible tokens. We cannot buy 0.5 of an image. We cannot buy 0.5 of a video. We cannot buy 0.5 of a digital art, but we can buy 0.5 of a Bitcoin, 0.5 of ICP, 0.5 of BNB. So that is the difference between fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. So non-fungible tokens are being used in different categories: the sports, arts, music, collectibles, fashion, games, cinema and many other categories. Here are some examples. The NFTs are used. First of all, Cristiano Ronaldo sold his NFT $2.9 million and there is another sportsman sold his NFT in $2,008,000. Here is the images sold as an NFT. Here is the most expensive image sold into $69.3 million. That is created by people and sold on OpenSea.io NFT marketplace. There are different NFT marketplaces where you can trade NFTs. Mean you can go there, can create an NFT, or you can buy an NFT, you can sell or you can store your NFT on those NFT marketplaces. Here is another image sold by people, the same digital artist in $6.6 million. So here is So this is the audio music recently sold on Rocky NFT marketplace. There are different NFT marketplaces for different categories. For example, if you want to sell or buy music NFT, you can go to music related NFT marketplaces, and if you want to trade sports assets, you can go to sports related NFT marketplaces, and if you want to like digital arts, you can go to digital art related NFT marketplaces. I will introduce all the NFT marketplaces recently in the end. So here are some other examples in fashion, like how in fashion NFTs are being used. Crypto Kicks is introduced by Nike. Nike is also using NFT to represent the shoes. For example, someone buys the shoes from the Nike, they give the provable ownership. Everyone can prove on the blockchain. And there is another product, RTFKT. They are selling virtual sneakers, and those are also like provable ownership. You can sell, buy, and like store NFT virtual sneakers on the blockchain, and that is also provable everywhere, anywhere in the blockchain in the whole world. So here is the owner, the CEO of Twitter sold his NFT, his first tweet as an NFT in $2.9 million. So how to create an NFT? That is the question. Before creating an NFT, we need to have a wallet, digital wallet, through which we can pay or we can receive the money if we sell an NFT, or we need to pay the transaction fee to the marketplace. We will list the NFT on, like for example, there are different marketplaces. So let's see how to create an NFT. So here we go to here. There are different marketplaces. For example, here OpenSea.io is also a marketplace for creating an NFT. We go here, and for example, we want to sell an NFT here. We need to have a digital wallet first. We need to download a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. MetaMask is the most commonly used wallet. So I have already MetaMask. If you don't have, simply search in the Chrome browser MetaMask. You can download it, and you need to have some ethers in your wallet to pay for the transaction fee, and that's all. So here we click create an NFT, and here simply choose any image you want to sell as an NFT, or any video, any music, any digital art, any game asset, any sports asset you want to sell as NFT. For example, here I want to sell this JPG to sell as an NFT. Here the name of the NFT, for example, blockchain consensus algorithm, and here this one is not must external link, you can leave it, and here you can write down the description according to the image. For example, this image represents the consensus algorithm. For the blockchain. So that is the description we have wrote down here. Yeah, that is all. We will create it, and now our NFT is created, but we cannot sell it. Before selling an NFT, we need to pay the transaction fee. We need to have some wallet. We need to have some ethers in our wallet. Here our NFT is successfully created. Now we can check a message like you have created blockchain consensus algorithm NFT. But for selling it, we need to have some ethers in our wallet. So I don't have ether, and here you can choose like you want to sell in fixed price, highest bid, or bundle. I will choose as set fixed price. Here I choose 1 ether. I want to sell in 1 ether. 1 ether is today equal to 32 $121, and here I can list my NFT, and here once I pay the transaction fee, the NFT would be listed in the NFT marketplace OpenSea.io. Here I would have to I would have to pay $54.62 for the first time, and 2.5% will be deducted by the OpenSea.io marketplace once my NFT is sold. So I don't have ethers, and I just want to show you that is all, like how you can sell an NFT. There are many other NFT marketplaces also. Here I have created a post on NFT marketplaces. We can see there are different NFT marketplaces. Here is the image sold for $69.3 million, and here is an image sold for $7.57 million. Here is another image sold for $6.6 million, and this one is also by the same authors people. These people really have earned much money by selling NFT. Here is the Cristiano Ronaldo, and here is another player. Here are the many games based on blockchain. Many people are making money from these games also. These are blockchain based games, like you can trade your NFT on these platforms also. You can visit these game platforms. And here are some other NFT marketplaces. The first one we explored is OpenSea.io. Except this one, there are NFT Gateway, Rarible, SuperRare.com Foundation, Binance NFT, Bakery Gallery, Fungible, Rocky Music NFT platform. For example, you can sell or trade your music here. Air NFT, Seascape, Gaming NFT, Digo Finance, NBA Top Sport is for the gaming, for the sports, for collecting like shirts or other game sports asset. You can like buy and sell in high price maybe, or you can store it, collect it for. And here are some other marketplaces. Myth Market, different marketplaces for different functions, for different purposes. So now we have seen like what is an NFT and how we can trade an NFT, and what are the NFT platforms. We can explore any other NFT platforms, for example Rarible. Some NFT platforms need you to apply before you can list your NFTs on that platform, but on some platforms you can directly go and sell your NFT, like Rarible and OpenSea.io does not need you to apply. You directly go and sell your NFT there. But there are some other platforms like Binance NFT and SuperRare and Nifty Gateway. You need to apply first, then they will approve. You will have to fulfill all the information, your profile, your recent works, then they will check and prove your profile. Then you can list your NFT, then people can buy your NFT and you can earn by selling your NFT. So here we have seen like how to create an NFT, how to sell an NFT. Here is the Rarible platform. Here also the same procedure. For example, you want to sell NFT as a unique one NFT or like multiple copies of one NFT. Here for example, I choose single NFT, and here I was already trying, like for example, here I have chosen an image, the fixed price, the 1 ether price, like I want to sell in 1 ether, and 2.5% will be deducted to the like platform. Rarible will deduct about 2.5% once my NFT is sold, and I will receive 3148 ethers according to price today. The ether price has increased recently. So if I want to like here I will select create item, and the same thing I would have to pay the transaction fee for the first time, and then The 2.5% would be deducted later once my NFT is sold. Like here, this charge is about $50 for the first time if I pay, and my NFT would be listed on the Rarible NFT platform. So here we see like how to sell on Rarible NFT platforms. Before we saw how to sell on OpenSea.io. And if you wanna check how the code behind the NFT, you can simply go to chainide.com, and here we have all the code for creating a ERC-20 standard token. For example, tokens like Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin, you can create your own token. And we have ERC-721 also. You can check here. You can go simply on chainide.com, and here you can see Ethereum showcase. Like following this tutorial, you can create your own token, ERC-20 standard token. Here is the ERC-20 standard token. Here, for example, you need to write down the name of the token, symbol of the token, total supply, and all the functions in the token. And if you want to check the code behind the ERC-721 standard token, means non-fungible token, here is the code for ERC-721 standard token, means non-fungible token. So if you don't have interest in this, just leave this and simply go to any NFT marketplace and sell your NFT, make money. And if you have any confusion, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. That is all for today's section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.